Tammy Slaton, star of TLC's hit reality show 1000 LB Sisters, was recently seen basking in joy and newfound confidence as she proudly participated in a special local parade that left fans stunned and deeply emotional. Known for her dramatic weight loss transformation, her emotional battles, and her fierce determination, Tammy has always worn her heart on her sleeve. But this public appearance, filled with celebration, bright colors, cheering crowds, and heartfelt gratitude, marked one of the most radiant and victorious moments of her life since she first stepped into the spotlight years ago. The woman who once fought for every breath was now standing tall, waving to fans, and glowing with pride in a parade dedicated not only to the community but also to personal triumph, perseverance, and inner healing. For Tammy, this wasn't just another public appearance. It was a statement, a declaration that she had arrived at a place of peace and strength after years of pain, ridicule, and struggle. As her float moved slowly through the main streets of her Kentucky hometown, dozens of onlookers cheered her name, holding signs that read, "We love you, Tammy," and "Queen of the Comeback." It was surreal even for her. Many had followed her journey from being bedridden, struggling with oxygen tubes and fighting for her life, to now waving confidently to a crowd who once doubted if she would ever live to see Tammy's kind of joy. The float itself was decorated with vibrant pink and purple flowers, gold streamers, and a glittery banner reading, "Tammy Strong." Sitting beside her was her sister Amy, who has been her biggest supporter, cheerleader, and emotional rock through their reality TV journey. The Slaton sisters were dressed in matching outfits, both proudly wearing tiaras and sashes. Amy wore one that read, "Sister Power," while Tammy's sash said, "Survivor Queen." For fans of 1000 LB Sisters, this moment represented a powerful full-circle narrative that began with heartbreak and is now bursting with hope. What made the moment even more significant was Tammy's decision to use the spotlight for a cause dear to her heart. As the float passed the town center, Tammy stood up, unassisted, to speak briefly about body positivity, mental health awareness, and the importance of self-love. Her voice cracked with emotion as she addressed the crowd. "I used to hate myself. I didn't think I deserved love or happiness. But here I am today, living proof that change is possible. You are not your past. You are not your weight. You are worthy." The crowd erupted into applause, some fans even breaking into tears. Her words touched something deep in those who had seen themselves reflected in her struggle. This wasn't just a reality TV star making a speech, it was a woman who had clawed her way back from the edge, pouring her heart out for those still in darkness. As she rode further along the parade route, Tammy blew kisses, posed for photos, and even danced a little, a stark contrast to the Tammy of earlier seasons who barely left her home. Fans noticed the glow in her face, the healthier weight, and a vibrancy in her eyes that hadn't been seen before. Her physical transformation was already inspiring, but what truly stunned people was her inner transformation, the confidence, the joy, the grace. Tammy had once said she never thought she'd be able to live a normal life, but this parade showed the world that not only was she living, she was thriving. Friends and local community members who had supported Tammy in silence finally had their moment to celebrate alongside her. One local business owner, who had been following her journey for years, shared emotionally, "Tammy reminds us that no matter how far gone we think we are, it's never too late. She's not just our neighbor anymore, she's our hero." Tammy's sister Amy was also deeply emotional during the celebration. In a short interview with a local reporter, Amy said, "I'm so proud of my sister. I've watched her nearly die. I've held her hand through so many hard nights. But today, I see a woman who's not only alive but has taken control of her story. She's found herself again, and I couldn't be happier." Amy herself has undergone major personal changes in the last year, including navigating motherhood and separation, but seeing Tammy shine so brightly made everything worth it. Tammy's doctors and health professionals who had worked tirelessly with her to regain mobility and strength were also present in the crowd. One of her former nurses spoke out, saying, "I remember when she couldn't even walk more than a few steps without collapsing. Seeing her walk onto that float today, I had to hold back tears." The parade ended at the local community center, where Tammy was honored with a plaque of recognition for her resilience and for being a role model to people across the country dealing with obesity, depression, and body image issues. Tammy was deeply moved as she accepted the honor, holding back tears as she thanked everyone who had supported her. "I never thought my story would mean anything to anyone," she said. "But if my pain and healing can help someone else, then I know it was all worth it." Quote. Tammy also took the opportunity to announce she would be launching a new online community support platform focused on wellness, weight loss education, and mental health encouragement. The project is still in its early stages, but she revealed that the inspiration came from fan letters and social media messages from people who saw themselves in her struggles. "People from all over the world wrote to me," she said. "From teenagers battling eating disorders to moms feeling hopeless, I read every word, and I knew I had to do something. This platform is for them. For us." Backstage, Tammy shared that she had anxiety about being so publicly vulnerable again, especially after years of online bullying and cruel memes. "But this time," she said, "things felt different. I've got thick skin now. I know who I am. And no one's going to take that away from me." Fans flooded social media platforms with pictures, videos, and heartfelt messages, turning Tammy into a trending topic. Hashtags like #TammyStrong, #SlaytonGlowUp, and #QueenTammy dominated timelines, with fans comparing her journey to a real-life phoenix rising. Even some former critics were quick to admit how impressed they were with her transformation, both inside and out. Producers from 1000 LB Sisters have reportedly confirmed that this parade and Tammy's recent glow-up will be featured heavily in the upcoming season, which promises a shift in tone, from survival to celebration. One producer shared, "We've documented her lowest points. Now it's time to show the world her strength, her success, her shine." Tammy Slaton's journey is still ongoing, but this parade marked a triumphant chapter in her life, a chapter where she reclaimed her narrative, embraced her worth, and stood proud not just for herself, but for everyone who ever felt invisible. In a culture obsessed with perfection, Tammy has become a reminder that real beauty comes from fighting back, healing deeply, and choosing joy even after the storm. As the sun set on that memorable day, Tammy posted a simple yet powerful message on her Instagram: "I'm not just surviving. I'm living. Thank you all for walking this road with me. This is just the beginning." Quote. And just like that, the girl who once couldn't walk without assistance now stands tall, not just on a float, but in her truth, her power, and her pride. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.